Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about these earbuds, obviously from Samsung. Got them for being a nice Samsung customer for free 99, and I just wanted to show them to you guys. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and I'm going to try to make it as brief as possible. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into this video. All right, let's cut her open. This was a bit of a struggle. It actually took me a very long time to open this box. Ta-da! Okay, first things first. This box has, it looks like the charger, which I already have. I don't need to open this right now. I literally have 2 of these bad boys. And then it looks like it came with extra earpieces. It came with 2 sets of backup pieces, because you never know when you're gonna need some new ones. Now let's get into these earbuds, honey. I did not intentionally get these to match my nails. They're so cute. They're literally the exact same as the ones that I already have. I just know that they did a couple updates to them, which is why I'm excited. The green light is on, which means they sent them to me fully charged, and I appreciate that. Now we're gonna try them in. Ooh, so comfy. Super snug. I definitely think I can go on a nice run or bike ride with these bad boys. Oh yeah, big fan, big fan. And I'm just obsessed with the color. I feel like light blue is definitely not a normal color for some earbuds. Then I just wanted to get into this part real quick. I didn't really need this, but I wanted to show you guys how you can set it up. I already had the app on my phone, and the tap gestures are basically the same. Single tap to play and pause music, double tap to answer calls, switch between calls, triple tap to hit the previous track. I feel like that one's new. I think the rest of these are all new. Tap and hold to launch your default voice command, ambient sound, reject a call, mute microphone, and return the call. So the long press, I believe, is also new. Press the left and right touchpads at the same time to manually enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Interesting. Okay. And then this is pretty much just showing you the different parts of the earbuds. The wingtips, charging case. Literally, you can't put them in incorrectly. Like, it will tell you if you put them in incorrectly. It won't, the lights just won't turn on and it won't charge. It's very easy to figure out the left and right. Charging. These indicators are pretty much common sense.
Life is all about you, and not at all about you. Now that's 2 opposing thoughts, and yet both of them are true. How can you experience everything you choose to do, while observing the experience you're having from a higher view? See, it's the question, not the answer, that's the higher view. Otherwise, you couldn't differentiate between the 2. Awareness but of who? You think you hurt me, but I promise I was letting you. They say we're all one, but where have we been heading to? I'd rather die free than have to live inside a petting zoo. I am the journey that I'm getting to. Gratitude is my destination. My destiny is perfectly aligned with this location. I am the map, so I travel back in time. I have everything I want, cause my imagination is mine. But mine is not enough for me, cause I am not my mind. I could see it all, but never get to see I'm truly blind. I could be it all, but all identity is intertwined. The moon is only bright because it reflects this.
Okay, so I wanted to show you guys really quickly. They look the exact same, except my new ones are much prettier. I also got these for free as well when I upgraded. I think 2 years ago when I upgraded, I got them for free. Same vibe. Also wanted to show you guys this new cool feature where it shows the current energy on the earbuds and then the energy on the case as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.